Imagine this, you walk up to someone, hand them a deck of cards, have them think of any playing card. You then tell them you made a prediction inside the deck they're holding. In fact, you turned over the 4 aces because you're pretty sure they're thinking of an ace. They say no, they're thinking of the 4 of clubs. At this point, they think you've blown the effect until they turn over those 4 aces, revealing the name of their thought of card. This is a killer effect. You can work this with any card named. This is a prediction system built right into a deck of cards. It's easy to do, it's powerful. There are multiple presentations that are included on this project. This is a worker. This is any card. Isn't that weird, man?